You know how frustrating it is when your child is doing something really annoying and you just can't get them to stop? Or when you need them to do something like put on their shoes or get ready for bed and you just can't get them to cooperate? If you're a parent, you end up setting limits all day, every day, right? And you can count on your child having a different agenda than you do. But there are ways to get kids cooperating with you without yelling, threats, bribes, punishment, power struggles, consequences. There are families where this kind of cooperation happens most of the time. These families know a few secrets about setting limits that most parents don't know. I'm Dr. Laura Markham, founder of Peaceful Parent Happy Kids. Would you like to know how to set effective limits that work to get kids cooperating and even strengthen your connection instead of creating resistance? Join me for a free live workshop, Calm, Connect, and Coach How to Set Limits That Work at 1 o'clock Eastern on April 8th. There will be a replay, but everyone who's at the workshop live will get my 4 minutes to calm audio. It's like a magic wand to help you calm down in only 4 minutes. And the best thing about it, it not only works for adults, it works for kids. So please join us live on April 8th for a free presentation and a live Q&A to learn research-based secrets to sidestep resistance and power struggles and create cooperation when you set limits. Register now at the link to hold your spot. I look forward to seeing you there.